Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna be walking through that how to fix that 9anime is not working or not loading problem. So our first method is that you have to just update your browser. For this you have to just click on the three dots at the very top right corner and then click on the settings. And then in the left menu you have to just click on the about Chrome and it will automatically start for updating your Chrome browser. So wait for completing this process. After doing so you have to just move to the next step. You have to just clear the cache of your browser. For this just click on the privacy and the security in the left menu and then click on the clear browsing data. Doing so you have to just select only the cached images and the files and disable all the other options. Doing so you have to just select the time category for all the time and then click on the clear data. Doing so, this process may take a while. You have to be patient. Doing so, hopefully your problem will be fixed. If not, then you have to just move to the next method. You have to just click on the three dots again and then click on the more tools and then click on the extensions. So basically you have to just disable all of the extensions in your browser, and after doing so your problem will be fixed. Now moving to the third method, you have to just try another browser which is different from your current browser. Like you can use the Firefox, your personal browser, and the Safari browser or Opera or any one that you want to use. So moving to the next method, you have to just check your internet connection, as a stable internet connection is very important for the working of the 9anime. So for this you have to just change the network connection and try to restart your router of internet connection by turning on the airplane mode for 4 to 5 seconds and again turn it off. Restore your internet connection and restart your 9anime. Doing so your problem will be fixed. So moving to the next method, you have to just open your Chrome web store and then search here for the free VPNs. So you will find here a lot of the different free VPNs. You have to just download the one and add it to your Chrome extensions and then connect it to your browser. Doing so you have to just restart your 9anime. Doing so your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.